This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Brooke Adams. Stunning golf course home with thoughtful renovations and prime location. Nestled in the heart of Reynolds Lake Oconee's desirable Ward's Place, this meticulously renovated golf course home offers a perfect blend of comfort, style, and luxury. This property provides breathtaking golf course views overlooking the national 9th green from nearly every room and expansive outdoor decks, while only a short walk to the local favorite tavern restaurant and the National and Richland golf courses. The open concept floor plan creates a light-filled, airy atmosphere, with vaulted beam ceilings in the great room and a seamless flow between living spaces. Updates and main features include new quartz countertops and stainless steel appliances in the kitchen, removal of interior columns to enhance the open space, and added game room and fitness areas for maximum versatility. The spacious primary suite boasts a tray ceiling and a private view of the course, while the second guest bedroom conveniently resides on the main level. The home also features 2 cozy fireplaces, fresh interior and exterior paint, new light fixtures, and ample storage, all combining to create a spacious and inviting home ideal for family living and entertaining. A golf membership is available. For more information,